Welcome to IRL Investing. I'm here to chronicle my investment journey. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Tuesday, I sold my covered call in HIMSS for 50% of the max profit. I then bought an at-the-money covered call in SoFi at the 17 strike that expires at the end of the week, and it has a max profit of $80. My next trade was in Lunner, a covered call at the 14 strike that expires on Friday for a max profit of $105. On Wednesday, I closed that covered call in Lunner for roughly 50% of the max profits. The market had a sell-off at the end of the day Wednesday. On Thursday on the open, I purchased a covered call in Riot at the 13 strike that expires Friday. During the midday Thursday session, I decided to purchase a $5 wide bull call debit spread at the 589 and 594 strikes in SPY that expire in about 30 days. A week later on the open, I decided to close the call debit spread for 50% on the max profit on the open. And I also bought back the call in SoFi going into the end of the week in hopes of a positive upside. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.